you till morning.
Hello amazing people, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? I hope each one of you are doing great by the grace of God. So today's video is going to be another unboxing, guys. I love unboxing video. Like if I'm watching people that unbox now, I'll be so in hurry, guys, because open the tin, let me see what is inside. Okay, so right now I'm going to be unboxing some items that I got from online. Yeah, so this one here, I'm going to start from this. Who knows this company? Justfab. Like this company is supposed to pay me like seriously. I've been unboxing their item for God knows how many times, and the truth is that, guys, I buy things in their website only when they are having like sales, like seriously. So yeah, last week they had sales and I ordered some items, so we're going to be unboxing it together. Okay, yeah. So guys, like someone asked me, like, because the last unboxing I did about Justfab, somebody asked me, like, she went there, like they were asking her like some questions. Yeah, before you should buy something in Justfab, you will be the member, like you'll be a member there. Okay, like now I'm VIP member, so every month they're going to collect like almost 40 euros in your account. If you don't want to buy anything, just every month, first till fifth, you have opportunity to do like pause, so if you do pause, they're not going to collect any money in your bank account. But if you forget, sorry, they're going to collect and keep it in your Justfab account, and whenever you want to buy something, you use the money to buy something. So that is how they work. Okay, for those that don't know. So yeah, so here I think I'm going to be sitting down, guys. Yeah, I think it's okay here. So this is what is inside here, and so the first one is this. So all the items here, they are on sales, girls. They are on sales. Okay, so this is one of beautiful jeans trouser that I saw. It's kind of leggies. Guys, take it out. So it has this here. I don't even know. I saw it and I love the style. I have not even wear something like this before. I don't know whether I should show you guys like how it is. I don't know, because I don't really have the time. But anytime I wear it, I'm going to show you guys. Okay, so this is one of the items, and then the second one is this one. If you hear any noise, David is here. I'm unboxing it with David. Okay. Dede. So here is another short jeans, guys. Okay, what size is this? Because I bought one for myself as well as for my first daughter, Blessing. Okay, this is 36. I think this is for Blessing, and then this is another one for me, because they are on sales. They are very cheap, guys. Yeah, so yeah, this is one of my own. So this is my own 38. Yeah. So what is the next item here? So I believe this is shoe or what? Yes, okay. This is one of the summer shoe that I selected, guys. What they call this type of sandal, guys? Please, if you know what they call this type of sandal that have opens, that have like cut here, let me know. So this is it, guys. I believe that it's gonna be my size as well. So I wear size 39, and it was on sales. Like when this shoe came out, when I saw it on their website, I wanted to buy it, but it was so expensive, almost 50 something euros. But I was waiting for them to put it on sales. So at the end of the day, they notified me that this shoe is on sale. So I went ahead and bought it. Like it's less than 20 euros, guys. Yes, so this is it. And this is gonna be one of my summer shoes if I wear something like a short dress. Yeah, so this is everything that is in this box from Justfab. So let me go ahead and pack it and put it somewhere. So right now we are going to go ahead and unbox this here to see what is inside. this is a huge one, guys. Okay. Woo. So guys, this is the high chair that I bought for David, because the one I used for Ugonna, guys, I've already sent it to Nigeria. So yeah, before I conceived David, I gave birth to Ugonna, I concluded that I'm not having any baby. But here is David, guys. It's a blessing. What do you guys think? So I didn't know that I'm going to have another baby. That's almost everything I bought for Ugonna, I've already sent them to Nigeria. So yeah. So this is the high chair, guys. So this is the color that I went ahead and bought, and I love it. The color is so matured. And then here, this is a part of it, and I'll go ahead and set it up, and then I'll show you guys the final look. Okay, yeah, I went ahead and set it up, and it was also easy to set up. It took me like 5 minutes. So this is how the high chair is. So at the end of the day, I just put this here because he's not eating right now. Whenever that is not eating, you just want him to sit so that he can be playing with all these toys. If he's eating, then remove this and just put it. Then that is it, guys. It's not going to take much space. Like, it's so portable, guys. Look at it. It's very simple and portable. So I'm loving it. If you're a mom and you're looking for a high chair, so I bought this on Amazon. Yeah, so if you're looking for a high chair that is portable and not going to take like much space in your kitchen or in your sitting room, this is good to you. So I'm going to leave a link in the description box in case if anybody wants to buy it. Thank you so much for watching, and if today is your first time, guys, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be notified. Okay, without you turning on the post notification bell, anytime I upload, YouTube is not going to notify you. So that is very important. Okay, so thank you everyone, and for my OGs, you guys are amazing. You guys are always there for this girl, like seriously. Thank you so much. Okay, I really appreciate each one of you, and I see you all. Yeah, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye for now. Bye bye.